Hi everyone, this video is designed to show you how to create a bootstrapped confidence interval of the median using NZGrapher. And I'll talk a little bit about what the bootstrap confidence interval shows as well. So I've decided to use my data source as the ballware data source on NZGrapher. What I'm going to do is select here in my graph type the bootstrapped confidence interval median. We're going to stick with median rather than looking at the mean. So yeah, all our discussion should be around the median. You can see here that you must select a numeric variable for variable 1. So therefore for variable 1, I will select the amount spent. For variable 2, I'm going to select the gender. Now what you'll see is the top graph here. This is the graph that you should have already created in your document, and it will look the same as this one. This is our sample. Okay, so this is the sample of all the data that we have been given. Below that, what you will see is a graph of the bootstrap confidence interval, or the bootstrapping distribution that's occurred. So all these little black dots here, this is 1,000 tests, okay? So 1,000 samples from the sample. These 1,000 samples, they have then been collated and a confidence interval has been given. So the information we can see here, this number 110, this is the current difference between the medians. So between this median here for boys and this median here for girls. How that is worked out, it is the second set of data, which is the girls, subtracting the boys' set of data. So the median of the girls minus the median of the boys, which gives us 110 as the difference. Then 1,000 samples have been taken, samples from the sample, and then we now have this confidence interval, which is between 90 and 190. Now, if you were to do this, you may get different numbers here, because every time we take a sample, the sample is going to be different. So every time you do the sample, you're going to get a different picture as well. So what we can tell from this is that the current distance between median of our sample is 110. But if we were to go back to the population and take a new sample, we would be reasonably confident that the difference between medians of girls and boys would be between $90 and $190. Okay, so that's what our graph is showing us.